Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Discover It. This is Arya Singh and today we will discuss about the notes of chapter 8 cell and structure and function of it. Okay, so first of all I want to say you that happy Navratri to you all, and I am not able to describe each topic in the notes, so I have to make a separate video of each topic from chapter 1 to 10. You have to watch that from class 8 the science NCERT. And if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also for getting the notification of recent videos. So, structural unit of organ, which is the cell. Cell are the assembled to make the body of or every organism. Cell is the basic structural unit in living organism. The egg of hen represent a single cell and is big enough to be seen by the unaided eyes. There are millions of living organisms. They are of different shape and sizes. Their organ also vary in shape, size and number of cells. Human body has trillions of cells which vary in shape, size and number of cells. Different group of cells perform variety of functions. Organism made of more than one cell is called multicellular. The fertilized egg multiply and the number of cells increased as development proceed. Organisms are made up of a single cell are called unicellular. A single celled organism perform all the necessary functions that multicellular perform. Amoeba capture and digest food, respire, excrete, grow and reproduce. Similarly function in multicellular organism and are carried out by a group of specialized cells forming different tissues in turn form organ. Other organisms keep on changing its shape and the projecting of varying length protruding out of its body called pseudopodia. A WBC is a white blood cell is another example of single cell which can be changed its shape. Amoeba is full-fledged organism capable to independent existence. Some cells are long and pointed at both ends. They exhibit a spindle shape. Cell sometimes are quite long, like branch cell. Nervous cell. Some of the branch like the nerve cell or the neurons. The nerve cell receive and transfer messages, thereby helping to control and coordinate the working of different part of the body. Component of the cell are enclosed in a membrane. This membrane provides shape to the cell or plant and animal. Cell wall is the additional covering over the cell membrane in plant cell. It gives shape and rigidity to these cell. Bacteria is a cell has a cell wall. Bacteria cell has a cell wall. Most of the cell are microscopic in size and are not visible to unaided eyes. They need to be enlarged or magnified by a microscope. The size of cell has no relation with the size of the body of the animal or plant. The size of the cell is related to its function. Each organ is the system perform different functions such as digestion, assimilation and absorption. Organ is further made up of small parts called tissues. A tissues is a group of similar cells performing a specific function. So this is a diagram of cell in which I have help you to understand what is the cytoplasm, what is the nuclear membrane, what is nucleus and what is the cell membrane. This is the human cheek cell. Okay, then second thing I want to show you the onion peel cell. This is the onion peel cell. It consists cell wall because this is the plant cell. This is the RBC, red blood cells. This will be the muscle cell. According to their work, they vary in size. Nerve cell. So, part of cell. First, we have to learn about cell membrane. The cytoplasm and the nucleus are enclosed within the cell membrane, also called plasma membrane. The plasma membrane is porous and allow the movement of substance or material both inward and outward. The additional layer surrounded the cell membrane is required by the plant for protection. It needs protection against variation in temperature, high wind speed, atmospheric moisture, etc. Cell can be observed in the leaf peel of Tradescantia, Elodia and Ryu. Jelly-like substance between the cell membrane and the nucleus is called cytoplasm. Various other components or organelles of cell are present in cytoplasm. They are mitochondria, Golgi bodies and ribosomes. Nucleus is separated by the cytoplasm by a membrane called nuclear membrane. It is also porous and allow the movement of material between the cytoplasm and the inside the nucleus. Smaller spherical body in the nucleus called nucleus. Nucleus contain thread-like structure called chromosomes. They carry gene and help in inheritance or transfer of character from parents to their offspring. The entire content of a living cell is known as the protoplasm. The entire content of a living cell is known as protoplasm. Whole entire content. It also called the living substance of the cell. Blank looking structure in the cytoplasm called vacuole. It could be single or big as in an onion cell. Cheek cell. Human cheek cells have smaller vacuole. Human cheek cells have a vacuole, but they have smaller compared to plants. Large vacuole are common in plant cell. Vacuoles in animal cell are much smaller. Okay. So this will be completed today. If you like this video, tap the like button to subscribe my channel. If you are new on my channel, press the bell icon also for getting the recent notification of videos. Thank you.